This K&F Concept 3 battery and charger set gives Sony mirrorless users a generous boost in shooting time with 3 high-capacity NP-FW50 compatible batteries in one kit. The batteries are fully decoded for popular Alpha and RX series bodies, so they communicate correctly with the camera and avoid annoying memory effect issues over repeated charging cycles. A compact 3-slot charger lets you power 3 batteries at once, which is a huge help for travel, events, or long video sessions where downtime is not an option. The clear liquid crystal display shows the charge level for each battery individually, making it easy to see at a glance what is ready to go in your bag. Dual micro USB and Type-C inputs allow flexible charging from a wall adapter, car outlet, laptop, or power bank, so you can top up batteries almost anywhere you are shooting. Built-in protection against overvoltage, overcurrent, overheating, short circuits, and overcharging adds peace of mind that both your batteries and camera will stay safe over the long term.